Namaskar and welcome to Astro Vastu Savi. I'm Savi Singh, an astrologer, numerologist and a Vastu consultant, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Jupiter, after a span of 12 years, has finally transited into the Taurus zodiac. And how is this going to impact your life specifically? If you're either a Virgo ascendant rising in your horoscope, or you are somebody who is governed by the Virgo zodiac at the time of your birth, that means that during your birth, Moon was placed in the Virgo zodiac. Now, if either of these situations are true in your case, how is this Jupiter transit going to impact your life in particular? That is something that we're going to discuss in great detail in today's video. In today's video, I'm not only going to tell you that how is this going to impact your relationships with your family, your friends, your finances, your career, but also what remedy must you do so that you're able to overcome if any obstacles are going to come your way during this time period. When we talk about the Jupiter transit that has happened in the Taurus zodiac, this transit has already taken place on the 1st of May 2024, and the time period was at 12:57 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Now, until the 9th of October 2024, Jupiter is going to walk in the straight line, but during after the period of 9th October 2024, Jupiter is going to become retro. Once a planet becomes retrograde, it directly means that whatever opportunities or whatever initial characteristics that it was showing you, it is going to have a retro effect on it. That means whatever impact you were getting during this time period from May to October, the opposite is going to become true after the span of 9th October. So, let's completely see and understand how this transit is going to impact you as an individual during this time period between May to 9th October firstly. When we talk about those who are born with a Virgo ascendant in their horoscope, that means you are your first house is governed by the Virgo zodiac. So, for you this transit has happened in the 9th house of your horoscope. The 9th house of your horoscope is directly linked to your destiny, to your fortune, and this is also originally the house which is governed by Jupiter in a regular horoscope. Now, in that sense, this is a very favorable transit for you. Other than that, the transit in general that has happened of Jupiter into the Taurus zodiac, this is a very auspicious, this is making a very auspicious yoga which is called as the Kuber Yoga. And Kuber being the lord of wealth and finance, this certainly is a good time period for you to have an additional boost in your income, an additional boost in your career as well. Other than that, for you particularly, if you are somebody who is governed by a Virgo ascendant in your horoscope, for you Jupiter specifically is looking after the 4th and the 7th house of your horoscope. The 4th and the 7th house is your spouse, and the 4th house is your materialistic gains and your materialistic wealth and your relationships with your mother. So, both of these houses are being governed by Jupiter, and because this transit in your particular zodiac horoscope is very favorable, so there is a possibility that during this time period you can have certain favorable gains coming your way from your maternal family, from your maternal from your mother, or you can have a rise in your wealth, and this can specifically come from you either having some materialistic gains in forms of maybe purchasing a new vehicle, maybe purchasing a new piece of land, a new property. So, those sorts of favorable transitions are likely to happen during this period of time. Also, you are going to have a good relationship with your working partners as well, and with your spouse. A harmonious marriage and a harmonious life is something that you can see during the period of this during this time period specifically. You will have good relationships with your family as well. If in the past you were facing issues with your family in terms of your relationships, if there were some turmoils that were going on between either you and your mother, or you and your family members, or you and your spouse, or your working partners, so those sort of issues are likely to get resolved during this time period. For some of you, there is also a possibility that you can have a foreign travel, and due to that you can have some additional expenditures that are coming your way. But other than that, this time period specifically seems to be a very good time period for those who are governed by a Virgo ascendant in your horoscope. Next, we talk about those people who are governed by a zodiac of Virgo in their horoscope. That means during the time when you were born, moon in your horoscope was placed in the zodiac of Virgo. So hence you are somebody who is governed by a Virgo zodiac in your life, and in that case also this change is going to prove to be very, very favorable for you. If you're somebody who is associated to a field of freelance working, there is a lot of good opportunity and growth in your business that is likely to come during this time period. Other than that, even if you are somebody who was traveling a foreign travel, who is planning to travel to a foreign country, there is a possibility that you can have some of those opportunities arising for you. If you are somebody who is still in the field of education, is still studying, then this is a good time period for you. You are likely to see favorable results coming your way. If you were planning to travel to a foreign land related to your education, even in that aspect, this time period seems to be favorable for you. For some of you, there is a possibility that there was a long pending task on your to-do list, but you were not able to find the right people or the right sources that were supposed to help you in accomplishing this task at hand. But there is a possibility that during this time period, you are able to gather that support, you are able to meet the right people, you may be able to make contacts with the right person in charge or the authorities who will help you accomplish this task at hand. So in even that sense, this time period seems to be very favorable for you. There's, for those who are working professionally, are professionals in a job or something like that, there is a possibility that for you, people are going to recognize your work and you will receive the due respect and the due fame for all the hard work that you have put into your work over these years. Even for you, this is a very favorable time to have good communications and good relationships with your family, with your working partner, with your spouse in particular, with your mother in particular. You are likely to receive some gains from your mother as well, from your maternal side, or some purchase of new vehicles or new properties even seem to be favorable for you during this time period. So all over this time period, this seems to be rather favorable for you if you are somebody who is either governed by a Virgo ascendant in your horoscope, or if you are somebody who is governed by the Virgo zodiac in your horoscope. Now obviously there will be some issues that you will face, especially at the time period when Jupiter becomes retrograde on the 9th of October 2024 and the time after that, because the original opportunities in terms of finances and career growth that you were getting during the time span of between the 1st of May to the 9th of October, there will be some certain changes that is going to happen. And because Jupiter being a very, very important planet as per astrology, it is a planet which moves very, very slowly. That is proved by astronomy as well, and because of that, it is a representative of stability. And as per astrology, this is the planet which directly governs your knowledge, your relationships with your higher authorities, your relationship with your children, your planning, your destiny, and specifically your wealth as well and your knowledge as well. So in these aspects, there is a possibility that once Jupiter becomes retrograde on the 9th of October 2024, then you are likely to face some issues in this aspect. But to prevent these issues, what is one remedy that you must do beforehand, so that in the forthcoming time you do not have to undergo the pressure, or you do not have to face these face the severity that this retrograde can bring into your life? So in that case, you should try to chant the Guru mantra on every Thursday. Try to build good relationships with your Guru. That is something and if possible, try to spend some time or try to contribute in some way or possible to do something that is helpful, either in a temple or a church or whatever your religion, as per your religion. Make some contributions in such places, so that this is also something that will enhance your Jupiter and enhance the energies of Jupiter. So in case there are any issues that you might have to face after the retrograde, you are able to face these issues and you are able to overcome these issues heads on. So I hope that you did like the video today. If you did like the video, please feel free to share with your friends and family so that even they can know that how they can make this time period of the Jupiter transit favorable for themselves as well, and how is this going to impact their life in general. I will be coming back with more such videos on this channel, so please keep sending your love my way and stay tuned to my channel. Namaskar.